Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual. Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
Okay, Amelie, our final exercise at the bar is our grand battement with cloche. So we're going to start in fifth position, arm bras bar, preparing the arm to fifth, 5 and 6, prepare 7, head is out. Grand battement devant with the accent up, so I want to see you use the floor pressure, throw to control it down. Go front and close, devant, front and close, another one, front, so it's 3. Then we cloche and arm goes to second, cloche, cloche, and close. So basically it's 3 grand battements, 2 cloche. One more time, 6, 7, and 8. Accent up and close, accent up and close. Front arm goes second and cloche, close front. 2 grand battements in second. First one's closing devant. Side, close front, side, close derrière. Third one, out. Fondu into coup de pied, so that's a full grand battement on the third one. To fondu coup de pied devant, arm comes down to bras bar, and then you're going to do a battement développé. So it's quite strong movement there, leg up, and the arm goes to fifth, looking out. So it's like a écarté position, close derrière. Arms to second, then we repeat the whole thing to the back. Arm goes straight across the second arabesque, derrière and close, derrière and close. Third one goes out. As you cloche, arm goes second again, cloche, close back. 2 grand battements second, closing back first. Side, close back, side, close front. Then we're going to finish with the dégagé devant on 5. Arms, so you can let go of the bar and take the arms to third. It's your preparation. 5, hold 6, and then we're going to tombe to your corner and do a lovely clean single lane duck to land away from the bar. So like you would do in the center, we take this as our bar. This is en face for us. I'm dégagé devant here, so I tombe naturally to my corner and then take my lame duck and finish croisé to my audience, which is there, with the arms in open fourth. Have we got that? Good. Okay, Amelie, let's break down our grand battement exercise. So we're in fifth position, we're preparing the arm to fifth. I want, again, that headline, eye line looking out. The grand battement is with the accent up, so it's the slower version. So I want you to think of using the floor pressure, the power for a grand battement. Obviously, yes, the backs of your legs, your glutes, everything's engaged, but the power does initiate through the floor. So it's a bit like your battement glissé, that power of the foot initiates the movement, and then in underneath thigh kicks in. But I want you to throw control down because it's a steady tempo. So can you do your 2 grand battements? Go and throat control down. Throw. Can we try and think as we do that? There was good power through the floor. Really think again, strengthening, stretching out that leg line. Obviously, we're keeping our pelvis nice and placed, but I want you to imagine someone's pulling your leg away from you as you do those grand battements. So you're not stretching there, but you're stretching over to the distance there. Go. Up, that's better. Up and close. Then we take our third grand battement. Cloche, cloche, close. Can we have, again, cloche means it's like the clock, the pendulum of a clock going forwards and back. So make sure, again, the leg line is devant, directly behind you. And as you pass through first, again, because of the speed, we do still want to have a little bit of pressure. So even though I'm passing through first, I'm using my foot to lift the leg. Do you understand what I mean? So do the beginning, 3 grand battements into cloche, and I want a bit of pressure through the first, leg like a pendulum. Go, and up, and lengthen the leg, go away, and close, up, and brush, brush, close. Yes, that was a bit better. I want to hear that first, brushing the feet through first. Go. Yes. So we're using that pressure again. Good. Then we're going into second. So again, make sure Very easy to let the weight go off the supporting leg because the leg's going to second. It's long and heavy. You want to counterbalance. Imagine if you're in the center. Can you just check? Take your arms to second. Now, weight's in the center. We're in fifth. I'm about to grand back onto second. I've got to initiate by thinking, shifting my weight onto my supporting toes. Can you swish to second and hold? Just swish. Good effort. That's exact. Then the other little risky point is that was excellent as you went out, perfect. As you came down, look what happened. Because how many? We've got 2 grand back ones. So technically you should be keeping your weight where it is. Keeping your weight where it is. Yeah? Just do the ones in second. Go. Swish. It's the hand nice and light. That's it. Exactly. So even though your hand's on the bar, you're not relying on the bar. You should be able to let go at any point and be in control. Make sense? So you've done 2, and then your third one. Cloche, 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 then side, front, side, back. We want, again, from here, grand battement in second, the third one. The leg is lowering, obviously, but don't drop the thigh. Bring the thigh in. That's it to coup de pied. And then we want to use the underneath thigh to battement to second. Boom. Yes. Can we use the head? Let's talk about the head from the beginning. Grand battement devant, the head is out. Then as you cloche, arm goes to second, keep the head out. Then as we do grand battement second, take the head straight, front, straight, back, straight, fondu coup de pied, and then as we développé to second, can we take the head out, please? And I want the eye line up to the foot. Yes, your foot's up there, that's where your eye line is. Make sense? Ba-ba-ba-bum. Close derrière. Grand battement derrière. So again, we want to be keeping our weight over our supporting foot. Arm goes across the second arabesque. Use the floor pressure, go. Leg behind, is it behind you? Yes, that's it. That's very good, because another thing that tends to go wrong with grand battement derrière is obviously you're holding your back, but the pelvis does need to tilt to lift the leg. And what happens is we don't use our core, we end up leaving the tail out. So you need to think of zipping your tummy every time you close your leg. So we straighten up the tail. Go. Push and zip, push and zip, push and pressure, close behind. 2 in second, side, close back, side, close front. Good, that was better. Then we dégagé devant. 5, you can let go straight away. 5, hold 6. Now where are we tombeing? Go. That's it. There's a few areas in a lame duck that can go wrong. It's the footing. So again, we're basically, if I break it down really slowly from here, if I'm mirroring you, my front is there, my corner's here. Don't overstep it, don't undercut it, just go naturally to where the foot's going to go. Then we hit that low second. Then this leg, again, don't overcross it, just bring it underneath you to turn out. That's it. And then make sure we're holding those arms nicely in first with the shoulders down. You want to feel your lats engage with your shoulders down. Go. Knee back. Boom. That's it. And think of a little breath again, because it's a single. There's something very impressive about a controlled single if we get it right. Think of a breath. So from here, you want to come down, take a breath and land. So there's that little hold in the retire. Go. Take a breath. There we go. You see? Quality. All makes sense? Yeah. Well done. Take a breath as we prepare the arm. Head out. Pressure through the floor. Lengthen the leg away. Lengthen away. Pressure. Pressure. Use the floor pressure. Out. Out, find your control and head out. Good, derrière, zip. Zip those tummy. Out and cloche and cloche. 2 in second. Good, dégagé. Hold. And breathe, finish. Very nice, well done. Take a breath as we prepare. Head is out. Accent up. Throat control down. Throw cloche through first. Brush and close. Throat control down. Now use of the head with the Batmon up. Yes, arabesque. Zip as you close the leg back. Up and cloche and cloche. Floor pressure up. Dégagé, hold. And up. Very nice, good. Take a breath as we prepare the arm, head out, pressure through the floor, lengthen the leg away, lengthen away, pressure, pressure. Use the floor pressure, out. Out, 400 control and head out, good, derriere, zip, zip those tummy, out and cloche and cloche. 2 in second, good, dégagé, hold. And breathe, finish. Very nice, well done. Take a breath as we prepare, head is out, accent up. Throat control down. Throat cloche through first. Brush and close. Throat control down. Now use of the head with the Batmon up. Yes, arabesque. Zip as you close the leg back. Up and cloche and cloche. Floor pressure up. Dégagé, hold. And up. Very nice, good.